There was no significant damage. One was mildly injured in Kyushu while train trips at Miyazaki Station were disrupted. The warning also urged residents to avoid coastal areas before it was lifted by 11:50 p.m. local time. Initially, the government also issued tsunami advisories for waves reaching 1 meter. The earthquake took place at a depth of around 36 kilometers and was felt across the island of Kyushu. Local news also reported that the tsunami reached Miyazaki port with waves measuring 20 centimeters.
Warned of potential waves and aftershocks after the tsunami warning was lifted. They reminded as well the public regarding potential dangers of entering coastal areas or going near the sea due to the risk of repeated storms.
So the GMA issued its